What are you doing in that chair, Carter James? What you doing? Are you being wild? You're actually being pretty tame. Ah. No, that seems like a bad idea. Can you sit on... Oh, are you coming untied? Can you sit on your bottom, please? Yes, those are shoes. Can you sit on your bottom, please? No, you need to sit on your bottom. You can't stand up and rock. Sit on your bottom. Thank you. There it goes. Oh, he's a wild man. Oh, he's... Holy cow, Carter. Slow down. Yes. No, you have to sit on your bottom. BG's over here now. Yeah, BG's over here. Yeah, that's the dog. Yes, those are shoes. Can you blow me a kiss? Mwah. Carter. Yes, I see you jumping. Mwah. Can you blow a kiss? Yeah. One more kiss. Mwah. No, don't sit like that. Can you say bye-bye? Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. You're gonna fall. Okay, let's sit on our bottom. Or not. This, yeah. No. Carter James. No. You're gonna hurt yourself. And there you go. Apparently you've done this before. Now will you say bye-bye? What? What's down there? Yeah, it's the strings to your apron. You want me to fix it, you have to come here. Can you blow me a kiss? Mwah. Say bye-bye. Or you could be a toot. What are you doing back there? No, we're not going to play with that. Okay. Bye-bye, Carter. What? Mwah. With the booger face?